school time. School time? School time, Dad? I'm big. We're not. We should probably go to school. Well, grass, grass, grow up grass. I love you, girls and glass. Grass, grass, you're a grass. I love you, you're a grass. Grass, grass, I'm a grass. You're a grass and I love grass. We better go home. Did you say grass, grass? Nope. Grass, grass is only my favorite word. And you're not allowed to say it. Wait, I need to talk to you. It's not about words. It's not about words. Something that's Mickey. Yeah, Mickey. It's not Mickey anymore. Now you need to probably go to your work. Ouch, 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 ouch. Girls, I'm gonna make songs. Ouch, ouch, ouch. You're not a boy, and that's not a toy, so why this further? Why, you don't have a mustache, no rubbing in.